Thank you for tuning in. Today we are going to make pancakes. I'm going to drop the full recipe in the description as I have doubled up the recipe here, so make sure to follow the recipe in the caption if you are making one batch. For the dry ingredients, you will need baking powder, baking soda, salt, and flour. For the wet ingredients, you will need buttermilk, eggs, and melted butter. I will start by mixing my wet ingredients first. As I was doing that, I noticed that the bowl I am using is a little small, so I will move to a bigger bowl once I add all of my eggs. Next, I will add the butter. I'm going to add 5 tablespoons, but if you're making a single batch, you will only need 2.5. Also, you can use the oil of your choice. I like the flavor of butter more in this recipe, so highly recommend. I'm also using a hand blender or mixer, but you can do the job with a whisk or a spoon for sure. The other thing that I will add is vanilla. I'm using vanilla beans, but you can use any other kind that is available to you. I'm going to mix it again once I add the vanilla. Then I'm going to move to the dry ingredients and do the same mix on the dry ingredients. The reason you want to mix your dry ingredients and wet ingredients separately very well is because once you incorporate the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, you don't want to mix it too much. So you will take a spatula as I am showing and just gently fold the batter in, and that is the secret to making or getting the fluffiest pancakes. The more you mix, the more the gluten will develop and the harder your pancakes will come out, or they won't fluff up as much. So you want to just gently fold it. If you see some lumps in the batter, that's totally fine. Those will dissolve and absorb the moisture as it sits around for a little bit. Next, you will prep your pan. You add a little bit of oil and start making the pancakes. As you can see, the pancakes have bubbled up and browning nicely on both sides. You can serve these pancakes or any pancakes with any sides of your choice. I'm using fresh fruits, butter, and whipped cream. Also, as I said before, I have made a big batch because I like to freeze some of it for later. Thank you for watching, and please do like and subscribe for more content.